how to use layout for Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Instagram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account on Instagram. Now tap on the Your Story option at the top left corner of the screen, and here you get to see the option over here. Now let's just select pictures over here. Select on this icon of select multiple options, and now let's just drag down and tap on multiple pictures over here. So let's just select on multiple pictures over here for now. I'm going to select up to 4 pictures, then tap on next option. Now you have 2 options over here, layout and separate. So let's tap on layout option. As I do that, here we get to see the layout and use it for our stories. So let's just tap on OK over here, and if you want to change the layout, tap on this layout option as well. So let's just select on it and tap on different layout. Then tap on done, and now you can simply post it to your story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time.